Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are talking about the Chia network friends. What's the currently price of Chia network? What's the prices goes at this time in the Chia network, and what's the highest price of Chia network in the 24-hour friends? Absolutely a very big fast occur in the price of Chia coin. As you can see here at this time, the currently price of Chia coin network is about 703.75 USD dollar is the currently price, and as you can see here, the highest price of the Chia coin is about 1934.51 USD dollar is the highest price of Chia coin in the 24-hour friends. And now the currently prices you can see here absolutely approximately a very high fast occur in a Chia coin network friends. So now let's see the price statistic of the Chia coin. What's the price change goes, and after that we look the price chart of the Chia network friends. As you can see here, the 24-hour highest and low prices you can see here. Now the currently price change gone very long friends. If we look the trading volume, the trading volume is 0%. The market rank is about 2507 is the market rank of the Chia coin friends. As you can see here, the 24-hour low price in highest price absolutely a very big falls occur in the price of Chia coin in the last 24-hour and the last 1 days. 702.52 USD dollar is the low price of Chia coin in the 24 hours. In the highest price is about 1934.51 USD dollar is the highest price of Chia coin network at this time friends. Now friends, let's look the price chart of the Chia coin. As you can see here, absolutely as I told you, a big jump occurred approximately if you are a holder of Chia coin. So approximately a $1,000 fast occur in the Chia coin in the 24-hour friends. Oh my god, it's really a shock the news. And now I think that a very patience goes at this chap in the Chia coin friends. What's the going to Chia coin and this? Oh my god, in a minutes and minutes fast down occur in the Chia coin. Now and the start of this video, the price of the Chia coin is about 700, and now the price is 600. Oh my god, it's really shock news for all of you. What should you do at this time friends? I think you are also in the loss, so you should have to hold your coin at this time friends. Maybe in the future they can take a jump because you are also in the loss, so please don't do this mistake at this time. It's time to hold your network friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and I'm really sorry to see the say about the Chia coin and this kind, the only and only fast hooker in the Chia coin. So I'm sorry to see, but that's the reality of Chia network friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe to Tech channel for more news and updates.